Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Subedi here, and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. First of all, thank you so much, guys. You have been supporting me for very long, and as you know, I have been uploading conversations for more than 3 years. But now I want to upload solo content and I want to work on solo content creation skills because I'm really bad at facing camera. To be honest, you would not believe, but I'm very bad at facing camera. I cannot speak on in front of camera. I can speak in front of people because I have been making a lot of Skype conversations and I did conversation with a lot of trainers. So I'm very comfortable talking to them and I'm very comfortable making conversation. But when it comes to face camera alone, it's quite difficult and it's a different skill which I have to work on. So now I know everything comes by practice, and there is a statement which I followed and which I want to follow here also, that practice makes a man perfect. So I want to do practice facing this camera so I can become better creating solo videos as well, because this is a different skill from creating conversations or from making conversations, talking to people. Because you see a guy in front of you, either he is going to ask question and or you are going to ask questions to him. So you do not have to think a lot and you do not have to think like what to speak and how to speak. That whatever the question another person is asking, you will answer that. That's it. Otherwise, you will ask the question to them. So that's how it is. But in solo videos, you have to think in your mind and you have to speak. So you are the questioner and you are the replier as well. So you have to do both things all together, that what you are going to speak about. The same thing I want to do practice now. I'm not very good at creating solo videos. So please support me, guys. And if you have any experience of creating solo videos and if you have experience of facing camera, then please give me some suggestions in the comments below so I can follow them and I can also become better like you. So that's what I want to do here. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video, because this gives me the motivation, and so I can create these videos like that. I can create such kind of videos more and more. So thank you so much. Many thanks to you. That's it for today. And thanks. Stay connected.